here at the car show.
Hi, I'm Kevin with Halo Power Solutions. And yeah, we got a car night started here on Monday nights at Shack A Patate restaurant. The owner, Leblanc, is a good friend of mine. I've known him for about 5 years. And so, long story short, my company is Halo Power Solutions. So we're electrical contractor. We did a lot of work with Ray back when he was running a renovation company, and Ray always had a dream to open a restaurant. He opened it last year, been trying to weather the storm with COVID. So being that I'm big into cars and I've got a great group of car guys, we decided to start a Monday night car night, and we got a deal going where if you buy a milkshake, we're donating all the proceeds to the Kids with Cancer Society. So yeah, so that's what's happening tonight.
And do you have a car?
I do. That blue Dodge Challenger there is mine. Yeah, thank you.
What year?
So that's a 2016 Challenger. It's an RT Scat Pack and about 500 horsepower.
Okay.
So it gets me from A to B quite nicely.
You only take it out in the summer?
No, you know what? I bought it last year with 50,000 kilometers, and I've got over 70 on it now. So I've actually been driving it quite a bit. But yeah, the Horsepower for Hope group is what I belong to as well. So we've got all the cars deckled up. So any of the cars you see that have the Horsepower for Hope decals is a car group that came together to support the Kids with Cancer Society. So we've got a big fundraiser we're doing this year. We did one last year. We're going to raise close to $400,000 for Kids with Cancer this year. Last year was, I believe, $300,000. So, and it's about 160 of like-minded car guys that just get together and help raise funds for the kids. Yeah, it's really good. So I love being a part of it. I really do. Yeah.
I'm so glad you're doing it.
Yeah, well, thank you. Thank you for coming out. And if you haven't tried the food yet, go and go give it a whirl.
Sounds ideal.
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at your car, man. Awesome.
Spencer was telling me they trying to find
I just want to circle this car. It's only honorable. Just go stand by them. Come on, that's why you're here. There you are. Come on. That's cool.
Wooden dash and get a stick.
That's nice, eh?
Super.
Is that vet open? They're nice, man. Eh? Let's go see this Lamborghini. Is it Audi?
Beard? The beard?
Yeah,
who's the owner?
Where's the owner? These are beautiful. Supposed to be a Lamborghini here.
That is fantastic.
How fun.
What year
I don't know. Let's go see this Lamborghini. This Audi's nice too. Wow, that's a clean motor. Woo, that's a clean motor. Mine's
new car smell.
That's makes mine. Let's look at this Lamborghini. This is another one for Hope. Oh, it's Ferrari. That's nice. That's good. Let's go find Ray. 2015?
Yeah.
2015
2015 Corvette Stingray.
Corvette Stingray.
That 51.
51. It's beautiful, man.
This one's got 75,000 kilometers.
That's it. Just car shows in back. Look how clean it is.
Your baby?
We're down in Bowling Green, Kentucky with it 2 years ago. That's where the cars are built.
It's quite the drive.
Yeah, we had 58 cars from Alberta and BC. And we joined with other caravans. By the time we got to Bowling Green, there was 8,000 Corvettes there.
That's pretty cool.
In our group alone, we had 750 in the lineup,
Really?
rolling into Bowling Green.
What was the oldest?
What?
What was the oldest Corvette?
I would say it's probably a 53.
Really?
We had a 1950. I could go on. Sorry, 64.
Nice.
We had a 64 coming all the way from Red Deer.
Really?
We had the oldest driver in our group for the whole entire caravan, 82 years old. He drove all the way from here down and back.
Very cool.
Very good.
How was the food? What was the best food?
I can't even tell.
Really?
Well, my wife and I, we like, what is it? Outback. They don't have it back here anymore, so we hit it twice all the way down.
Yeah. How about Mexican?
Mexican, not a big fan.
I always say Mexican in the States, first place.
Then we did a route back. We went Route 66 back home.
Oh, really? The famous Route 66?
I'll show you the map here.
Well, that's pretty cool. But yeah, never thought.
Say 12,000 kilometers.
Mr. Turner, I
know.
showed you how to do it.
I know. That was our map. 2019.
Wow.
It's quite the drive.
So we went 21 days, 16 hotels, 17 states.
Nice.
So
And your name?
my name's Ken.
Yeah. James.
Nice to meet you.
Kelly.
I'm Kelly.
Nice to meet
Pleasure to
you.
meet you.
Yeah. Two guys.
Go.
I'm Kelly Harlow, and I'm here with.
Jeffrey Allen.
We're at the car show in Sherwood Park, and this car is so beautiful. So I just wanted to talk to the owner. Tell me everything.
It's a 1996 Lotus or Caterham Super 7 replica. Most people will better know it as a Caterham. It was actually built in Edmonton by the guys at Miles Import Car Center, and they did absolutely fantastic job on it. It's powered by a Toyota 4-cylinder, 1.6 liter twin cam high revving engine, 5-speed manual transmission in there. Absolute riot to drive. It's about 120, 130 horsepower, dual lever carbs. When you get high up in the RPMs, it just absolutely sings. It's so much fun. I've put over 23,000 kilometers on it since I bought it 4 years ago, and yeah, I keep driving it all the time. Just so much fun.
Tell us about the sticker on the front.
So the sticker on the front, it's for Horsepower for Hope. I'm one of the committee members with Horsepower for Hope. We're raising money for the Kids with Cancer Society. First year that we did an event was 2 years ago, and we put together like a really big, nice car show for the kids, and got a whole bunch of cars out. Just a really, really cool atmosphere. Did some stuff that we didn't believe we could do in putting a show together in 6 weeks. We raised over $85,000 in the first year, where we only expected to raise, $10, $15, $20,000. Last year we went to a rally format with COVID, and we were able to raise just an amazing amount of money too. We had about 150, 160 drivers, and had this really awesome team format. People drove around the city, supported our sponsors, got to check out different venues, do some different activities, and in the end we raised almost $280,000 for the Kids with Cancer Society. And this year we're doing the same thing. We had the bar set a lot higher, but we've already raised over $360,000. And yeah, we just keep going. We've got about 200 drivers this year, and yeah, we just keep going. We have such a fun time doing this. We're open to like all makes and models of cars. Yeah, it's a good time. I can't say enough about how fun it is.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And go.
I'm Kelly Harlow, and I'm here with Don, the Sherwood Park Car Show. And you're the founder of this whole thing.
I'm one of the founders, yeah, but we started it with a couple other guys. This group called Horsepower for Hope.
Tell us what you do.
Yeah, so I'm on the board of the Kids with Cancer Society, and Horsepower for Hope exists purely for the Kids with Cancer Society. So Kids with Cancer Society is an organization that supports young children diagnosed with cancer and their families. So when a child goes through treatments and the family has the worst ever news possible,
Absolutely.
it's heartbreaking, but it's something that is hard to overcome, and then the families need assistance, and so do the kids, obviously. So Kids with Cancer Society supports families and helps them go through the process, tells them what to expect, provides many services and financial support to the kids and the families. So Horsepower for Hope exists for that reason, to support that children. So me and a few other guys we got together 3 years ago. We wanted to do something to support the Kids with Cancer Society. We thought we'd just start a small kind of parking lot event similar to what we have going on tonight, and we did that 3 years ago, and we ended up raising $87,000, and we had about 60-70 cars there that year. Last year we did a rally format, and we grew our kind of Horsepower for Hope membership base to around 250 cars, and we had about 180 of them out. We did a rally, raised $270,000. This year we have a huge rally. It's really taken off. It's got a bit of an aviation theme to it this year called the Afterburner Rally.
Okay.
And we've got almost 200 cars registered, and we've raised to date almost $400,000.
So when's the rally?
This rally is July 10th,
And where?
and it's throughout the city of Edmonton. So there's 8 different rally stops, different locations.
So if someone wanted to be a part of it, what would they be able to do?
Yeah, so if you sign up to be a Horsepower for Hope rally car driver, you show up with your car. You expect to be gone the entire day. It's an amazing race kind of format, so you show up, you don't know where you're going next. You get an envelope, you open the envelope, and you go to your first location. And every location has interesting activities, it's an interesting spot. I can't give you any more details because it's very much top secret,
Yeah, I get
but we've got a fantastic rally planned for our drivers this year, so we're really excited about it. Yeah, so.
How nice of a car do you have to be part of it, though?
You can drive whatever you drive. If you love your car, it's all about the kids and
If you
supporting
have to
the
love
charity.
your car, that's where I have to draw the line, I suppose.
We had a young kid show up last year who wanted to support the charity. He showed up in his Honda Civic and signed up and paid his own money in his own way. And he drove the rally, and the guy's driving beside Lamborghinis and muscle cars and antiques, and he fit right in, and he had a blast. So we encourage anyone with a car, if you're a passionate car lover, show up and support the charity. That's what it's all about.
There's a lot of charities. I mean, there's endless charities.
Sure there is.
How did you choose this one?
It's cancer affects everyone. Everyone knows someone that has had cancer. My father passed from cancer, and I've known a few kids with cancer, and I was involved in an event earlier on where I got to drive a young girl who had a brain tumor, and she was suffering, and her family was going through some hard times, and it just kind of hit me. It's like, if I can do something for this family, and if it means getting out and driving my car, well, how hard is that, right? So let's just put
A
our
beautiful,
time
simple idea, and it's just grown.
yeah, exactly. So this group of guys we have at Horsepower for Hope, they just love cars. They love to hang out. They love to talk, and they love supporting the charity. So it's what we do, and we go around Edmonton and we have these events. And Shack A Patate has helped us and has invited us to his location to
Excellent
hang
shakes,
out. And
too, just by the way.
absolutely. So Ray's, he's just another generous Horsepower for Hope supporter, and it's great to be a part of it. So.
And nice car.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, tell us about it.
This is a 07 Ferrari 430.
Sorry.
It's 4.3 liter, 480 horsepower. Obviously, it's a convertible. I love this car. I bought it used, and I've been driving it for 5 or 6 years. I've got it branded with Horsepower for Hope. This is my driving billboard. So this just helps to bring awareness to our what we do and the Kids with Cancer Society. So
Awesome,
it's
sir.
it's a lot of fun, and it really exists I want people to ask questions about our rally and about the charity, and that's what this car is meant to do.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no
And thanks for
problem.
doing all this.
Yeah, absolutely. This is easy to do. Support a charity and drive your car.
Lots of things are easy, but lots of people don't do.
Yeah, well, it's true.
So thanks for being a local hero.
Yeah, no problem.
A whole year of OC's this. It's all good.
You ready?
Y'all ready?
Yeah,
You ready for this?
sure.
And go.
I'm
By
Kelly
the way,
Harlow.
they call me 20 Take Ray, so you know. It's not a big deal.
Take one. I'm Kelly Harlow, and I'm here with 20 Take Ray.
Hi, how are you?
We're outside of the Shack A Patate.
That's right, that's mine. Yes, sir. Do you want me to just
Yeah, go for it.
tell my story or what?
Tell
What's
your
going on
story.
tonight?
Yeah, let's
What's
do
that?
it.
Well, what we decided to do about 2 months ago is have a Monday night shaker at the Shack. Basically, it's a fundraiser. Get people to come and minimum donation of $5, and all the funds goes to the children, sick kids. So kids with cut that out. Kids with Cancer Society. So it's a fundraiser that myself and Kevin from Hill Power started, and this is our second one, and we're going to try to keep going every Monday. So
That's awesome.
it's great. It's fantastic. You know, I just love giving back to the community, and can't say enough.
It sounds like an amazing organization. I was just talking.
Yeah, the horsepower for Hope people. Yeah, absolutely.
And
It's,
these shapes are exquisite.
oh, well, I appreciate that. We have 4 kinds, and
Is this
yeah.
chocolate? It has to be, but I mean, it doesn't taste like just fake chocolate.
Well, I appreciate that.
It's like real.
You know what I tell people? Before I became a restaurateur, I did home renovations,
Okay.
and before that, I worked for the railway for 25 years. So I don't know enough to ruin food. I know how I like my milkshakes, and I'm serious. So, and being a francophone, I know how I like my French fries. I know how I like my poutine. And yeah, I'm not reinventing the wheel. I understand that, but it's for my brother-in-law, and it's food that people love. And you know,
You use real cheese curds?
real cheese curds, they squeak. Absolutely.
Promise.
Yeah, I wouldn't lie to you.
Okay.
You know what? It's funny you should say that, because you know what? If I had matzah in there, I would have to turn in my French card.
Yeah, you would. That is for serious.
So, so anyways, yeah, you know, I'm just having fun with it. I love it, and I don't care what people think. But that's the thing that's good about age, is you don't give a shit.
That's right.
So, you know, yeah, and also, I always tell people that, you know, anybody's going to see something new once, it's to get them back. You know, everybody wants to see something shiny, right, and new. So,
That's right.
yeah, so I don't know what to say. I'm having fun with it. It's a great bunch of people, and yeah, it's all for the kids.
So every Monday night we can come here and see excellent
6 to 8.
cars.
Yeah, we're gonna post it because we're gonna keep track of the weather, but
Right.
yeah, we'll try to keep it all summer.
Will you have anything to cover if it is? Would it just be canceled?
Probably not. So I'll try to not do it on a Monday where it's gonna rain. You know, I tell everybody I'm the boss. I can do whatever I want. So maybe we could do it on a Wednesday or Thursday or something. So, but preferably on a Monday. But the weather's gonna dictate it. So.
Yeah, it's Alberta.
Yeah, well, and that's about it. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm from Northern Ontario. Did you get my story as to why I did this? It's on the
No.
wall.
I missed it.
Okay.
I didn't go.
You want to know my story?
Yes, I'm from Northern Ontario too.
Well, you're going to make me cry here. But anyways, about 8 years ago, I was telling you, my general contractor. 8 years ago, my brother-in-law was dying of cancer. He had stage 4 cancer, bone cancer. And I went to see him before he passed away. He died 3 months later. I stopped by a local Shack A Patate, which is basically a term for like a food truck. And it's very popular out east. You got shacks in the middle of nowhere, and it's 20 deep. Like, it's just unbelievable. So I stopped by, just so happened to pick up a couple of poutine, and I went to his place, and he lives in a bi-level. So when I showed up, he was me upstairs, and he looked at me. He's a year younger than me, and he's eating a carrot stick.
He's like 20. Yeah.
So he's eating a carrot stick, and he's looking at me, and the face he made when he saw the food. He had bone cancer, died 3 months later. And, you know, I could, just thinking about it now, I could just see his face, and I can't really describe that look, but something told me right that day, 8 years ago, do something. I don't know what. You know, you first thought it's food truck, but then you think more about it, whatever. But I want something permanent.
Right.
And so, yeah, 8 years later, and of course, I opened during COVID. So, also, it's COVID. But I like to think that the word's out, and I'm doing my best. And yeah, so it's for my brother-in-law and my sister. It's also the living, right? So she was a young, not a young bride, but she, when Dan passed away, she was fairly young, and
Yeah, so that's why I did it.
Super hard.
Yeah.
Thank goodness there's men like you who step up and help.
You know, I try, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, so that's my
Pleasure to
story.
meet you.
Yeah, well,
Thanks
same
for
here.
sharing your story.
Well, I'm glad you guys are here, and yeah,
Thank you.
appreciate that. So, where are you from, Northern Ontario?
I was born in Espanola.
Espanola! I could tell you a couple of jokes about Espanola. But anyways, I'm just kidding.
Easiest town in Canada. It won a radio competition.
Well, listen, you said it, not me.